Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices ticked up after Israel and Lebanese armed group Hezbollah traded accusations that their ceasefire had been violated and as Israeli tanks fired on South Lebanon. OPEC Plus also delayed by a few days a meeting likely to extend production cuts. November was a month of clear winners and losers from Trump's US election victory. Trump trades, punishing tariff-sensitive assets from European exporters to Mexico's peso and driving investment towards US stocks and the dollar, proved successful. Wall Street has rallied, the dollar gained 2% against rival major currencies, and Bitcoin surged. Cryptocurrency hackers continue damaging the industry's reputation as the yearly value stolen through cyber attacks nears $1.5 billion. Crypto hackers stole over $71 million worth of digital assets during November, according to the latest reports. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.7% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The economic calendar is packed with impactful events, with major data points leading the way. These updates could play a pivotal role in market reactions, influencing everything from stock prices to currency valuations. With the potential for volatility high, staying proactive and responsive is crucial. Make sure to factor in these economic events when assessing your investment strategy.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.